matter what we've been through, we'll never be free.
Nah me. I say nah me. Say that again. I know you hear the echoes. International bad man Jamaican busy. They don't know why they be now. I never charge.
Okay.
International bad man Jamaican busy. They don't know.
You know, say now wash now. I
don't tell you leave all this wash to bring yourself down. Maybe people see you help you.
Chai.
Boy, may they take time, but not because I did over billion funds. Reserve funds. They bring the list.
I've kept many of you hungry.
My sister sent me 5K. Inside that 5K,
okay.
So my sister sent me, I go to collect them for bank. They don't deduct tax form. I don't even know how much we even. Before they reach my house, now 1.5 they remain. So I tax for this 2026. Then they tax poor man.
No, you don't really say poor man.
I don't say I be poor man. They tax free. Then they tax poor man.
But they don't tax you. No, go for you. I even if
No matter what we've been through, I will never betray you. Jamaican.
Boom. Did you receive the money I sent you?
God have mercy upon us.
That you are shouting here, but what is Jesus Christ?
Okay.
Have you started again? As a grown man, this is what you are still doing at this stage of your life. I'm short of words. Like I don't know if it's man, or I don't know what we ever did as a family to become your family. What have I not done as your sister? Why are you tormenting me? Why? Say no more. Why are you tormenting me?
Nah, prank.
What kind of prank is that? Does it look like a prank to you?
We have just started.
Nah, prank. This is glucose.
Jamaica.
This is glucose. Just test it. Run.